Presto XOXO. Hello, my empire builders, go-getters, innovators, moguls, and owners of the boardroom. I am Marie, your guide to the wild world of AI. And let me tell you, it is a wild ride. I am here to bring you another big, bold, and beautiful AI business idea. And my goal is to provide you with ideas that get your wheels turning and thinking about how you can utilize AI. And I hope that this idea will help you with brainstorming and maybe even help create some additional ideas for you, because a lot of people are making money with AI, and a lot of investors are throwing money at AI companies, and so you should be included. And we've got robots dancing, we got self-driving cars, and of course even chatbots. But how can you benefit from AI? Well, it is time to strut on that catwalk of innovation and set a trend that the world will surely follow. Imagine for a minute having your own personal stylist available 24/7. And yes, darling, we're diving into the stylish fusion of fashion and artificial intelligence. And trust me, it is not as scientific as you might think it is. So here's the juicy scoop. The new business idea is generative AI for fashion, creating personalized designs. We're not talking about just any designs. We're talking about tailor-made designs. So imagine this, waking up in the morning and your wardrobe is full of clothes, but somehow you feel like you've got nothing to wear. Does that sound familiar? Because it happens to me a lot. But what if there's an AI that knows you better than your bestie? An AI that understands your unique style, your body, your lifestyle, and recommend the perfect outfit every single time. That's intriguing, right? This is how the glamorous tech savvy idea will work. First, your clients will visit your website and see all the beautiful and creative designs on your webpage, and immediately want to know how can they order. Your clients will be introduced to your AI designer on the web page. The AI designer will provide a questionnaire and will ask a series of questions to your clients. Then the questions will help the AI understand the client's preferences, their styles, requirements, and the system will also consider factors such as the user's location, so that it may suggest clothing that's weather appropriate for the area. They will also ask your clients for their profession so that they can offer suggestions that are appropriate clothing for work attire. The AI will be able to provide your clients with various fashion designs, and the client will be able to click like or don't like. And the AI will be able to use all of this information to help the AI learn more and more about your client's needs and their problems with fashion. And so next, after all of that is done, next on the agenda is to ensure that the clothes are a perfect match, made in heaven. So it's like saying goodbye to clothes not fitting right. And we've all experienced that. But with the AI, it's hello to precise measurements. A perfect ensemble or a perfect outfit isn't just about style. It's about embracing our unique shapes and sizes. So next, it is time to get those measurements. This is where things get really exciting and techy all at the same time. Your clients will be able to upload photos and provide body measurements so that the AI designer will be able to deliver a perfect fit every single time. A perfect fit every single time. Now the AI has your client's style, preferences, and perfect measurements on hand. And so now it's time for the AI designer to start generating, generate numerous designs that are tailor-made for your clients. The AI designer can analyze vast amounts of fashion trends, data, patterns, textures, and colors from various eras and cultures to generate unique and novel designs, outfits, and designs that your clients will surely love. Now, everything is up for customization from the cut of the design to the color of the fabric. AI designer can spot trends fast before your competitors. They can spot emerging fashion trends, thus allowing your business to maintain a competitive edge in the marketplace. Also, your business, in addition to all of that, can offer augmented reality that would allow your customers to virtually try on the clothes before they actually purchase the clothes, which will allow your clients to understand how the garment moves, how the garment fits, and actually see how the garment looks on them. And so now, after all of that is done, and the clients have chosen the styles they want to purchase, now it's time to bring these designs to life. And so the approved designs will be sent to a production facility to create the physical garment, so you don't have to be involved in that process, or you can have in-house manufacturing if you chose to. But if you don't want to do in-house manufacturing, you can let outside companies manufacture the designs. This AI business idea will make fashion more personalized, more inclusive, and more importantly, it's more sustainable because less waste with more styles. So, darlings, it is time to make this runway dream a reality. Here's the grand takeaway from all of this that I shared with you. I know I probably shared a lot of information. AI is making fashion a whole lot more personable, customizable. And this is what people want. We want things more tailor-made for us. We want to be more unique and stand out in the crowd. And that's what your AI fashion business will bring to your customer. The future is now, honey. The future is now, and it's all about AI. It's all about AI. So remember, every company started off as a dream. Every company started out as an idea. And so I just want you to get ready, and grab your piece of the AI pie. So you need to stay in the flow, be in the know. You need to be a part of our exclusive access club where you can get exclusive access to money-making ideas. This idea may not be a perfect fit for you, but we have more AI ideas for you that could be delivered straight to your inbox every week. And guess what? All of this is absolutely free. So go now to prestoxoxo.com for your exclusive access. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, keep hustling and stay fabulous.